Welcome to DJM TV.
My people, greet una, welcome una once again to DJM TV.
Yes, so my people, not be small thing o. Yesterday, mandilas building for Lagos Island, where we say that they sell shoes, where all these people they do businesses, was on a serious fire yesterday. Una know say that building is a very big building where they sell shoes and other things. It was a very heartbreaking experience yesterday for most people, not be small thing o. But thank God they fit control the fire, but still a lot of things don already go down, not be small. Anyway, my people, I no go talk too much. I upload una this update now. Make una watch and listen to wetin lead to the fire outbreak for that building yesterday. Make una watch and make una share with.
Tens of shops and business offices at the Madras Plaza and Mandilas building on Lagos Island have been gutted by fire. Minutes after the inferno, some traders stormed the place and were captured trying to salvage some of their goods and other valuables. Firefighters have been facing a tough time putting out the fire, but according to the Lagos State Governor, Babajide Sanwo-Olu, the fire incident at the warehouse in Mandilas building has been curtailed by the State Fire Service. He also said that investigations into the incident have already commenced. The fire outbreaks are not new in the market. Most of the incidents have been blamed on electrical surges and poor market structures, which make it easy for the fire to spread. State officials, firefighters and other first responders, including security personnel, are present at the scene of the incident and still assessing the cause of the inferno.
A warehouse of 10-story building, about 10-story building, and the fire emanated from 6th floor, but right now it's at 7th floor. We learned that a weather came here to work this morning because they wanted to do illegal job of extraction and partitioning. They were inside building doing construction. That was what led to the fire. But unfortunately, they couldn't control the fire, which now emanated from where is the 1st floor to the 7th floor right now. But right now it is under control.
The positions or the layout of this place has never been in this form. Even though, because of the fact that if you look at the surrounding buildings, there is a lot of multiple extensions that have taken over the access roads to every other place in the case there is a fire incident. So for me, coming here today and seeing the multiple extensions, as you can see around all over, it baffles me.
Hey, my people, not be small thing though. And the update will carry come from like this be this. So this issue of a fire outbreak for market, this thing is so alarming. As so you both talk am, it's too much. Don't they too much, especially for all these big markets. But if the fire go just come from nowhere, go just burn down people goods like say nothing dey happen. And they're going to blame am for electricity error. All this electricity error, is there no way for them to maintain or rearrange them to avoid something like this? My partner see this matter and reason because this is so heartbreaking. See as people they park their goods, how many they go fit park? Anyway, make una drop una comment, my people, and make una no forget to like and share, and also make una follow us for all our social media handles, DJM TV. Make una follow us, make una like our videos, and make una share our videos. Una do well. See you all in our next video. DJ